What is going on, guys? This is Kobe with Sample Source, back with another video. Today's video is going to be very short, probably under 5 minutes. Basically, what I'm going to be talking about in this video is why me as a full-time producer want to move away from Instagram, away from Facebook, away from YouTube, as far as putting my beats on there because of this one simple thing that happened to my business. And being full-time at this, there's so many negative things that can happen to you and take out your business. So I'm gonna talk about what Instagram did to my account, not for my beat selling business, but for my education business, this one, and what you can do to kind of counteract what these platforms can do to you and how you can keep building a business apart from using platforms. So what happened to my Instagram account, the Sample Source page, a lot of people have been asking about it because I put lots of helpful videos on there. It got taken down. So Instagram completely took it down. They deleted my account basically. I've appealed several times. I've appealed like 5 different times, but they have failed to get back to me. So what this has kind of given me an awakening to is that I need to be collecting data. And that's kind of the saying that I tell people in consultations. I have a saying, it's 4 steps. So it's A, B, C, D, always be collecting data. And so the reason for this is because when they do something like, deactivate your account or something like that, you can still message all of your followers, subscribers, people who are on your email list, and you can use that data to rebuild on another platform. So it goes with you. It doesn't just disappear when the platform dies. So this can apply to my other business as well. So with my Kobe Beats page, I built it up to almost 8,000 followers right now. And so if overnight something happens to that account and it gets shut down, I'm no longer able to market on there. I'm no longer able to outreach and connect with my clientele and able to run my business. So this has led me to go really hard with running my ads, which I run through Facebook. Ironically, that's just where the audience is at. But I'm able to run this ad and I'm able to collect data. I'm able to get their emails, and I've built my email list up to over 1,400 as of now, just using this advertisement. And so what this allows me to do is market to that list, and not just on holidays, not just whenever I send out an email blast, but whenever I need to get them to go to another platform. If I want to build on TikTok, if I want to build on YouTube, I'm able to message them and say, hey, I'm on this platform now. So I can start moving my fan base around from platform to platform. So I'm not saying that platforms are bad. I'm saying that you need to be collecting data outside of that. I'm also building a text list. I've got that up to about 200 artists right now. And so, yeah, it costs $5 a month to collect that data. Yeah, I'm paying $60 a month to MailChimp, but I'm able to build up these lists. I'm able to remarket to them whenever, and something that would seem huge, like them shutting down my Sample Source Instagram, is no longer a huge problem because I'm still collecting data. I'm collecting emails. And so hopefully I'm adding value to you guys. And there's actually some free templates and frameworks in the description. So there's a free custom beat selling framework in the description you can download, and that way you're on my list and I'm able to either market my educational products to you, or I'm able to share helpful information. So that's why I'm always doing that. So make sure you grab that. There's also, it's a license agreement template. So if you guys want that for free, it's also in the description. So I just wanted to make a quick video today talking about what's been going on with my account. So if you guys do need to get in touch with me, if you want a consultation, if you want to ask me any kind of questions, I still have my email. That's in the description as well. So if you want to get in contact with me and talk with me one-on-one, you can still do that. I probably will not make another Instagram account. I'll just have my main Kobe Beats Instagram account as well. So if you want to message me and still be through the Instagram platform, you can message me at KobeBeats_official. So I put that in the description as well, just because I probably won't make another educational page. So hopefully this video has shown you why you need to be collecting data, why you need to always have the mindset of building outside of someone else's platform and building your own platform. So you own that data and you're able to remarket to them. So hopefully this video has been helpful to you. Hopefully explains what's going on in my business currently, and I will see you guys in the next one.
If you want a one-on-one consultation with me, then check out the link below to set that up. And if you want to learn how I make a living selling beats online, then check out my beat selling guide below.